Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. We have here in today's newspaper on Tuesday, June the 30th, 2020, an additional with extra Sudokus, and we have here 5 Sudokus. A Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 4 stars, a binary, and a tectonic. So 5 Sudokus to solve in this additional, and before I start with the first one, the Sudoku with 1 star, I'm curious how many digits are printed in this puzzle. So let me count. We have 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 3 is 15, 17, 19, 21, 23 plus 4 is 27. Yes. So I can conclude that the 1 star Sudokus are always with 27 printed digits. I have noticed also in the previous additionals 1 star 27 and the 2 stars 26, 3 stars 25 and the 4 stars 24. But we will count later with the 2 stars Sudoku. We will start first with the 1 star, so let's get started. Alright. The last column, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. 2 boxes left for the 1. The 1 could be here or could be there. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 1 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 1. I need to wait. Yes. How about how about 7? No. All right. Let me see. Which number can I use? We have 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2 in this big square. So no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 5 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. The 5 goes there. Then a 3 in this row, a 3 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. Okay. A 3 in this column, a 3 in the third column, so in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 3. Here I need to wait. How about the number 8 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between. The only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. In this big square, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, here, or there. So in this row, we have in one of these 3 boxes an 8. In that row, we have an 8 over there. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 6 and 4. Well. 9. 1, yeah. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 6, here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are the 3, the 7, and the 6. We see here 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in the last column should be for the number 2. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the first row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 6, here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can see, yes, 6. And now, let me see. How about the 2 in this row? A 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 2, here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 2. How about 8 and a 4 and 8 and a 4. Well. 6, the 3, and the 9, and the 7, and the 4. Alright. A 3 in this row. A 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3, and now I cannot continue with the 3, yes. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left. Yeah. Suppose it should be the 4 and the 8. Same like here, 4 and the 8. Also here 4 and the 8, or 4 and the 8. I cannot fill this yet. No, I need to wait. So these two numbers are 4 and the 8 in this column. That means two numbers left, 4 and the 8. The other two numbers are the 7 and the 1. No, I cannot fill this yet. 7 and the 1. But I see here 1 in this row, a 1 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And now I can fill this number because we have here the 4 and the 8. This should be a 7. 1, 1, 1, 1. Yes. 7, 3, and a 4. I need a 4. 3. Yeah, we have a pair here. 3, 7. They also 3, 7. So in the middle column, 3, 7. 3, 7. That means one box left in this big square. Should be the 4. Two numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 9 and 7. Look, we have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 7 goes there. 3 and a 4. 7 and a 3. 3 and a 4. That means one digit left in this column. 3 and a 4. One digit left should be the 7. 1, 5, 2. Alright. 5, 2, 4. I need more digits. Alright, how about the number? The number 8 and 4. Yeah, I need more numbers. Otherwise, how about the 3? No, I need a 3 there. Alright, think. This big square. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4. No 4 in these two boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those two boxes. One box left for the 4 should be here. We have here the 3 and the 7, I remember, in the middle column. That means one box left, 3 and the 7. One box left should be the 9. The other two numbers, the 1 and the 5, I still cannot fill this yet. But we have a 9 in this row, a 9 in the last row, so in the row between the only two places for the 9, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so in the third column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used, I can see, yes, alright. Then 1, 5, 1, 5, and 2. Yes, in this row, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are the 1, the 2, and the 5. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. We see here 1 and a 2. So this box cannot be a 1 and a 2. One digit left should be the 5. Here the 1 and the 2. We see here a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 1 and the 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are missing. 7 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. How about these two numbers, the 2 and the 4? No. Cannot fill this yet. How about these two numbers? 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 8 are missing. We see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 4 goes and there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 3. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 here. And remember, these two numbers are the 3 and the 7. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 2. These two numbers, the 2 and the 4 are missing in this row. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. These two numbers in this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 4 and the 8. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 8 goes there. These two numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing and the 7 is missing. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 7 goes there. And the final two numbers of this big square, the 7 and the 8. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 8 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Great Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. And you can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this video, and later I will continue with the second Sudoku that will be a Sudoku with 2 stars. So see you later, and bye bye for now.